All right, drink we're about to make is called Port Wine Flip. And let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass and measure out 1.5 ounces of port. There's 1.5. And follow that up with 2 teaspoons of light cream and 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Okay, and next we'll add 1 whole egg. So we've got our egg here. Go ahead and crack that in. Try not to get any shell in there. And we're going to go ahead and shake it up. All right. Want to make sure you shake it very well. Obviously, you've got a whole egg in there. So, in order to get it blended in with everything else, you want to give it a couple extra shakes. All right, we've got a glass filled with ice there, and we're going to want to strain our ingredients right in there. Perfect. And the last thing we're going to do is take some nutmeg and just sprinkle that on top. Perfect. Add a straw, and bottoms up.